take a look inside this Gulliver firebox. Nice Gucci detailing at the back. It is a fully as much heat onto the stove. This is the beautiful Gulliver featured in cream. A quick look at the cooktop here. So this is brand new stove. It hasn't been burned yet. You can see there's like some dirt and like maybe some handprints from the installation. I did clean it up once, and then I had more people in here doing wood and wipe it up with a rag so that you don't have any of this kind of stuff like burning into the stove. You can kind of see like some lines and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up before I do my first burn.